Nutella bread is so moist and rich. You'll never believe how incredibly easy it is to put together. I mean, it only takes 5 ingredients. To start this recipe, take out your blender because we're going to be whipping this bread up in less than 1 minute. You'll want to start with 2 nicely ripened bananas. This is going to add sweet, rich flavor to the bread, as well as its heavenly moistness. Next goes in the baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons. It'll help slightly aerate this dense chocolate goodness. Add 3 eggs to hold everything together, and cocoa powder is then going to be going in. If you guys are a chocolate lover like myself, this mixture with the Nutella will literally blow you away. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I post every single week. Be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell so you won't miss out. Now, this Nutella is going to include the sugar and oil to this cake. It also has that hazelnut taste, which will pair perfectly well with that banana and the chocolate. After your 1 cup of Nutella went in, go ahead and blend everything away. Be sure to scrape the sides a bit to get any of that dry ingredients that may be sticking to the blender. You'll want to finish blending this until it becomes a smooth puree, and for the amount of batter this makes, you'll want to grease and flour either an 8x4 inch loaf pan or this 6.5 inch paper cup I found at Daiso. Be sure the oven is preheating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This flourless Nutella bread is going to take anywhere from 50 minutes to 1 hour to bake. The secret to tell when it's ready is to give the pan a little tap, and if it has a loose jello-like jiggle, give it another 5 minutes. It's not quite there yet. Check back on the bread after 5 minutes, and once the tap gives you a firm, sturdy jiggle, you know it's finally ready. This little loaf of goodness just can't compare to any other desserts. I don't know if it's because there's 2 bananas in here or the fact that there's no flour. It makes it feel like a healthy dessert. I actually spread some of this on a piece of toast. The texture is just so moist and rich. Whip this up for any dinner party and it'll be the talk of the evening. So to any of you who have some Nutella laying around in your pantry, I dare you to give this recipe a try and you'll certainly be glad that you did.